The next topic we start with is the left linear grammar to DFA. तो पहले जैसे हमने DFA to left linear किया था, similarly left linear to DFA करना है, same techniques है, just that जो भी grammar दिया रहेगा पहले उसका transition graph draw कर लेना, then reverse the direction, interchange start state and final state and then carry out the FA to DFA. यानी अभी productions दिया हुआ है and you need to draw the required DFA. So these are the productions given. So ये जो productions दिया है उसके basis पे we are drawing the graph over here. See, S gives CA, so S gives CA. ये रहा S on input A goes to C. Similarly, S on input B is going to B. So S on input B is going to B. C is also going to be on input B. So C, B, B. B on input A is going to B itself. So this is a closure. And B is also giving B. So B is giving B and that is the final state because ये दिखाना पड़ता है कि B input B पे आने के बाद एक final state हमें चाहिए है. So here S is the starting state, D is the final state. So second step says that swap the positions for start state and final state. So that is what we have done over here. D यहाँ पे आ गया, S यहाँ पे आ गया. Third step says that reverse the directions. So reversing the directions मतलब ये A left तरफ जाएगा, this will go upwards, upwards and downwards. So it is upwards, upwards and downwards. Closure will be as it is क्योंकि आप direction ऐसा रखो या ऐसा रखो, it is one and the same thing. So once you have done that, now conversion from FA to DFA. See, now what you can do is considering this as the start state क्योंकि ये अपना DFA बन गया लेकिन ये उल्टा है. So हम क्या करेंगे, start state यहाँ से लेंगे, we'll see on input B it is going to be, on input B it is going to be, B पे closure है, from B it is going to C, so from B it is going to C, from B it is also going to D, so from B it is also going to D. If you want you can just show this as over here, यहाँ पे combine किया हुआ है C and D, इसके लिए इसको final state बनाया but that is not needed. You can simply put this as C, you can simply put this as D and ये जो transition है वो C के लिए अलग and you can always have like this one transition from for B to D over here. Then we have taken a dead state कि अगर S पे इनपुट B है तो ही वो ट्रांजिशन कर रहा है, अगर A आता है तो इट इज गोइंग टू डेड स्टेट. सिमिलरली C से इनपुट इज ओनली A जा रहा है तो C से इनपुट A जा रहा है, अगर C से इनपुट B आता है तो इट इज गोइंग टू डेड स्टेट. सिमिलरली फाइनल स्टेट से एनीथिंग इज कमिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू द डेड स्टेट. सो दिस इज द फाइनल DFA for the given left linear grammar. See, this is the example. Next example we see, these are the productions given. So A B के जगह पे 1 0 यूज हुआ है, so accordingly वो diagram draw किया है. Again if you see you have to swap start state and the final state. So after swapping you get D over here, S over here and you have to reverse the direction. So if you see this direction is coming down, so यहाँ पे it is going upwards. Even here it is coming down, so it is going upwards. ये upwards जा रहा है तो यहाँ पे downwards आ रहा है. And after reversing the direction you can draw the final state over here. So I hope now conversions from FA to left linear grammar and vice versa is also clear. Having that studied, now we studied how to convert one form of grammar into another, that is how to convert a right linear to left and how to convert a left linear to right. Again the process is totally same. See, first what we'll do is represent the right linear grammar using a transition graph. Mark the final state as epsilon. यानी जो भी transition diagram आप draw करेंगे उसमें final state will be epsilon. Interchange start and final state, reverse the direction, write the left linear grammar. That is what I told, that it is the same thing. So see, first ये रहा, तो what we are doing, conversion of right linear grammar to transition system, यानी state transition diagram draw करना है. So S gives BB, so BB, S also gives only B, so S से B epsilon जाएगा because it is the final state. B gives BC, so B gives BC and B on input AB, so B is also having AB to itself. C is giving A, B is giving B, so C is giving A and B is giving B. So ये सब final states पे जाएगा क्योंकि ये single productions है. Now interchanging the start state and final state. तो start state and final state का positions हमने swap किया है यहाँ पे and reversing the directions. Reversing है, ये गलत लिखा है यहाँ पे. After reversing the direction, क्योंकि ये राइट लीनियर में था, इफ यू सी जो भी नॉन टर्मिनल सिंबल्स है वो राइट लीनियर पे है. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, ये जो डायरेक्शंस चेंज किए हैं, नाउ यू विल राइट इट इन द लेफ्ट लीनियर फॉर्म. सो यू विल राइट इट S gives B B, so it is B B. S gives B, then B B and C A. So if you see, all the non-terminal symbols are now on the left hand side. So that's it. This is how you convert your right linear grammar to your left linear grammar. In second example here, which you have to solve it on your own. The way we converted right linear to left, similarly it is possible to convert it ulta, that is left linear to right linear grammar. Now see, again the steps are same for that. Sorry. It says represent the left linear grammar using transition graph, mark the state as final, interchange start and final states, reverse the direction, write the right linear grammar. So if you see, the steps are same. The only thing is that when you write the grammar, you have to make sure कि right linear है, तो ये सारे जो non terminal symbols है वो right hand side पे आने चाहिए. That's it. बाकी सबके processes same है. The only important thing to remember is whether you are converting or writing the final grammar as left linear or right linear. क्योंकि अगर left linear करना है तो symbols left hand side पे, non terminal symbols, and अगर right linear grammar है then symbols should be on the right hand side. That's it. ये कुछ examples है. Even though it is solved, you still have to practice and submit it to me by tomorrow 12 PM. So please make sure everyone practices this. Examples, these are very important from the exam point of view, and if any doubt in this, please let me know. Thank you.